Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss and talk about how we can convert any HTML template into React application. So, for this particular video, I have downloaded a HTML template which you can see on your screen. So, this is the home page. As you can see, this is a kind of e-commerce shoe application, and this is the about page, and this one a kind of blog page. So basically, this is a multi-pager HTML template, which is a kind of e-commerce template. So we'll try to convert this template into a React application. So let's create a new React application. So npx create lowercase npx create React app HTML to React app. Hit enter. So this command will create a new React application for us. So let's wait for some time so that it will create a project and also the file and folders and other dependencies. Here it is. So the project has been created. Let's go to the directory cd and the project name, and then hit command code space dot. So it will open our project in Visual Studio Code. So here it is. So you can see this is the default project and this is the default folder structure. So now the first step is we need to go to the template where we have downloaded. So first copy all three folders and go to your public folder, create another folder and name it assets. And now we need to paste all three folders inside this. So we have pasted all three folders, close this. So now if you expand it, so all folders are here. The second step is in the source folder, create another folder and name it pages. And inside pages, let's create a file called home.js. So now the first step is open your index.html file into any editor. I'm using Notepad++. So you can use Notepad++ or any editor which you are using. So first copy the head section and go to Visual Studio Code, and inside public go to index.html and remove everything from the head tag and paste your index.html content. Here we need to change the path because you can see the CSS file path is into CSS folder, but in our case we are using CSS under assets folder. So just add assets folder. So change all the path, save this. So we are done. Close this one, and now in the home let's create a functional component. So RFC. So I'm using extension for this. If you want to see the extension, so this is the extension. If you need, you can install it. It will help you to create many things by using tab key. All right. Now go to your editor, and now we need to copy the body tag section. So copy the entire HTML part and into Visual Studio Code. Let's remove this div and let's use react.fragment. Paste it. So now you can see a lot of errors are there. So we need to remove them one by one. So the first is we need to remove this comment. So let's quickly remove it. And also if there are any image tags or input tags, so we need to close them. All right. So let me do it quickly. So after removing on the comments, next step is we need to close the input tags or image tags. So here, see, we are having image tag. So let's close this. You can see there is an input tag. We also need to close it. So all errors are gone. Now, next step is we need to change the image path. So let's say this. So Control F and assets, then images. Replace all. Save this. Actually, we need to use this home into our app.js. So let's go to the app.js and so now open app.js and let's import this home component first. So import home and remove this header tag. We don't need this and use home. Now open the terminal and use npm start. So this will start our development server and we can see our home component in the browser. So you can see this is the home component. All right. Now we need to create another components like for this about page. But before creating these components, we need to add a package which is React Router DOM. All right. So let's install the package. So npm I React Router DOM. The package has been installed. Now go to your pages, add new file, call it about.js. Again, RFC, hit tab. So it created a functional component. Again, go to the template folder, open your about.html into editor. Same way, we need to copy the body part, copy, and Visual Studio Code, delete this div and use react.fragment, paste, remove all the comments first. So all errors are gone now. Save this, go back to our app.js and let's also add a new file called router page.js and let's create a functional component and let's also import from React Router DOM. The first is browser router as router and switch and route. So inside this first let's use router. Inside this we will use switch and now we need to create our routes. All right, but before using route let's import home and about component. So import home, same way import about. So let's create our first route for home. So route path should be slash and we need to use exact exact and the component should be home. Create another route. So route path slash about and component should be about. Save this and now copy this, go to your app and let's import router page from router page and simply use this one instead of home. And let's delete this. And now go to your home.js and let's import link from React Router DOM, and we need to use this link in the menu. So for this link, the to property pass slash. So our home link is ready. Similar, copy this and paste it for about and change the label about, and to value should be slash about. Save this. Now copy these two menus now. Go to your about.js and same way paste it here. Also copy the import, go to your about and paste it here. Save this. Same home, save router, app. Now let's hit the command again, npm start, because we just installed the React Router DOM package, so we need to restart the development server again. So now let's try to click on about. So you can see about component is rendered. If you click on home, so home is rendered. Perfect. Now go back to Visual Studio Code and open, what is the next tab? Blog. So open your blog.html into editor, and also in the pages folder, let's create another file called blog.js and rfc, hit tab and into your editor, copy the body section part, go to Visual Studio Code, delete this div and use react.fragment, paste it. Let's remove all the comments first. And also close the input tags or image tags. In the home, okay. In the about, we also need to change the images path. So Control F and replace all. Save. Same way in the blog.js, Control F image, find the source and replace with asset/image. Save. Now go to router page and let's import blog and let's create another route. So route path slash blog, component should be blog. Save this. We need to change the blog to link. So same way copy this blog link and replace all three components. Paste. In fact, copy all three from here, paste in the about also, and copy this link, and in the blog import this as well. Save this, go back to browser, and if we click on blog, so you can see blog page is coming perfect. So now we will create these three pages. So blog we have already created, so we'll create shop now page. So in the index where is the shop, open these two pages in the editor, and here let's create a page name shopnow.js or shop.js rfc tab, and in the editor copy the body part, react.fragment, paste, remove all the comments, save this, and same way we need to go to menu, and we need to use link from React Router DOM, and also copy the menu, and first let's create a link for this shop now. So link, and to value should be slash shop, and remove the anchor tag, paste, save. Let's copy all three and paste here, and also copy this shop now, paste, also in the blog.js, also in the home.js. Save, go to browser, reload the page, and let's try to open. Oops, we need to create a route in the router. So slash shop, and let's import shop and change the component. Now go to your browser, and you can see the shop component is rendered perfect, but images are not coming. So go to your shop.js component and control F image, and find this and replace with assets images. Change all, reload the page. So now we will see the images. All right. So now let's add another page and name it contact.js rfc, and in the HTML folder open your contact into the editor, copy the body part, and use react dot fragment, paste, simply remove the comments, also close these input tags, Control F, image. So in this we don't have any image, so save this, and let's use link, and let's copy. First change this contact as link, 2 should be slash contact link. Save, and let's copy this UL, go to contact and replace the shop, replace the blog, change the UL part, also in the home. Save. Now in the router we need to import contact and create a route for contact. So path should be slash contact and component should be contact. So save, go back to browser, click on in the home. Here we need to change the path should be slash. Same way in the blog. So now go back to browser, click on the logo. So we are on home page. Now click on about. So we are in about. Click on blog. So we are in blog. And if we click on shop, so we are on shop page. As you can see, all the filters are there. And if we click on contact, so we are on contact component. Perfect. So everything is working, whatever we are having in our HTML template folder. So this is how you can create any HTML template into React application. So these are some simple steps. All right. So I hope you got to learn how we can convert HTML template into React components. All right. So this is about today's video. And if you need any kind of help regarding this video, my previous videos, like regarding web API, .NET, MVC, React, TypeScript, so you can contact me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is open programmer. You can also find this in channel description. All right. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.